始まるよ。
So grab one fancy looking leek and we're just going to chop him on the diagonal. Fancy, fancy. And off to the side with him and let's get straight over to the flame. Pop some water on the flame, shove in your Aburaage tofu and then boil and bubble, my friends. This is just going to get rid of that excess oil that's hidden in there. Now let's make that sauce. So 3 tablespoons of mirin, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 big old tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of Metsuyu, and 3 tablespoons of water. Mixity mix! Grab your favourite flippity floppity tofu and just shove them boys in. Give them a simmer. And then once they're done, we can get them to that zippity soup. We're cooking for 2 people today, so 1 litre of water, 5 grams of Dashi stock, 150 mils of Metsuyu, the concentrated kind. Shove in those leekies, shove in those nudes. Bring everybody to the boil and you are done-ski runski. Alright, let's plate up. In a bowl that you definitely bought for this purpose. Grab a whole bunch of your noodly nudes, just pile them into the bowl. Ladle in on that soup, make sure it's drowning. Grab a couple of them aburaage. By the way, because you made your own, you're automatically better than everyone else. Add on a sprinkle of that white bit of the leek and you're done.
すごいすごい。いただきます。
In terms of tips, ladies and gentlemen, the only thing that you want to make sure of is that your sauce is not going to burn while you're marinating that aburaage. Because sugar burns fast and it tastes pretty bad when burnt. Also, try to find the frozen kind of udon noodles, not the packet kind. These taste so much better and I think they're probably better for you, who knows. And you can certainly make this udon noodle soup without the aburaage for sure. It's super good on its own as well. But other than that, you should be fine. So I hope you have a go, whether it's a full-on dinner or a late night snack. We do this pretty much every other day, so like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.